So DevOps to MLOps, yeah, DevOps to MLOps, the career transition is very easy. Okay. So the person already learned DevOps, MLOps, they can easily learn 10, 15 days. They can easily understand also. Compared to other students, other skills background students, DevOps students can easily understand MLOps. Even after DevOps, MLOps only. MLOps, AOps, almost same. There is no much difference even. Okay. So why I'm saying the benefit is definitely next batch onwards, we can increase some fees and it's common. And initially I used to give a training first to DevOps only. Later, I have added AWS, a free of cost. Later, the fee structure is changed for next batch onwards, AWS DevOps. And then I have started multi-cloud. I have given free of for existing students. Then fee structure changed for multi-cloud DevOps now. Now machine learning, I'm giving free of cost to you. Next batch, fee structure will change. Okay. So that's what I can say. Whoever enroll for multi-cloud DevOps, machine learning, you are going to learn free of cost. That means MLOps. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is the info. Content already. Can you share? Pradeep, can you share the content and the questionnaire QA section? Already we have prepared one document, right? You can share too. Guys, please. I have already discussed it to many students, even Saturday, Sunday also. Now let's. No, no, I'm talking about Naresh. So here. So all projects list already updated by Pradeep. You just go through the projects list. And also syllabus also can you share, Pradeep? And also QA document also can you share the document so the persons are having any questions and you can ask. So guys, whoever having a questions, I can enable your mic. Definitely I can enable your mic. So give me some time. Let me discuss something. Then I can enable your mic. So yeah, you can ask any questions. Okay. I will ask you to raise your hand. Then you can raise your hand. I can enable your mic. You can ask any questions. Not now. Give some time, please. Okay. Okay. Let me give a small clarity. What is exactly MLOps? Just 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay. So guys, let me tell you. Uh, yeah, let me tell you one thing here. For example, DevOps. DevOps all about develop, build, test, deploy, monitor. All about DevOps. Okay, let me add. First one is, yes, this is not first class. Already discussed 3, 4 classes on the demos. You don't think why directly move into DevOps. Okay. If you join today, maybe this is new to you, but still you haven't missed anything. Even we haven't created even AWS account also. Just very high level concepts all I'm discussing. So today I'm going to discuss MLOps. Before that, what is DevOps? Okay. Try to understand. Okay. So guys, let's say many of you know that DevOps means DevOps and MLOps. Okay. DevOps and MLOps. So DevOps, what is DevOps? Mostly everyone knows. Development and operations. Okay. What is DevOps? Tell me, online team. Anyone, what is DevOps? I can give time. So you can ask questions. It's a culture. Okay. Next. I can see your messages. It's not a tool. Very good. It's not a single tool. It's a culture. It's a process. It's automation. Many things, right? Okay. Testing tools. Oh, no. Next. Development and okay. Simultaneous integration. Okay. Next. It's not a single person job. Okay. Multiple jobs. Dinesh. Very good. To speed up a to speed up delivery of the application. Very good. Next. Okay, many answers. This is also good. Okay, let me add all the answers. You are all true, guys. You are all true. Okay. So many answers you can see. Many answers. Developers operations, a CSC is a continuous process, continuous delivery, continuous scalability. Yes, yes. It's a continuous process. Okay, you can see many answers, right? Yes, all are correct answers only. But final agenda, guys, DevOps is, I can say it's a methodology and focus is on to early release the application. That means speed up the process to release application. Yeah, correct, correct, Shreyas. Yeah, all are correct, all are correct. So to speed up the delivery of the application, to speed up the delivery of the application, collaborate and communication between development operation team. Yes, very good. It's simple flow, deploy and deliver the speed. Okay, it's a continuous process. All are correct answers. Okay, it's a culture where we can focus to deliver the application. Okay, let's say how it will be play a role for the deliver the application. Let's say, yeah, let's say here I'm taking, for example, a simple use case, flipkart.com. So flipkart.com, you can see already cloud introduction I have given. So DevOps I'm giving now. For example, some issue is there in the mobile. See if you can see this is not there Friday. You observed or not? Now updated, right? How it is updated? DevOps lifecycle. Understand? So as a Friday class, this is not there. Minutes application is not there. Now updated. So development is not one-time activity. Development is continuous development, right or not? So development is continuous means deployment also continuous, right? If deployment is continuous means the background, many methodologies are there, build method, continuous build, continuous test, continuous deploy, then continuous operations, then continuous monitor, and then feedback loop, right or not? Okay. So best example, for example, mobile's application down. Immediately it will be alert system is there, now monitoring system, it will give a alert. Then immediately, so developers can try to debug the issue. Okay, developers try to debug the issue. Next team will come into the picture. Next team means what? A build team, test team, monitor team, deploy team, right? If I add a many dependencies, many teams involvement is there, many teams involvement is there, definitely communication gap will create, definitely, right or not? If you say to something to your friend say to something to a different friend, but later whatever word you say, that will be changed if many people can involvement is there, right or not? Here also many methods involvement is there. So if independently work each and every method, definitely what you are expecting it will not deliver, right or not? Now all methodologies take into one platform. It's a DevOps platform. Understand now? Let's say focus, yeah, let's say for example here, developer is there. So let's take a developer. Yeah, I'm taking a developer. Yeah, so I'm taking a developer. So developer job is what, guys? Continuous development. Not it's a one-time activity. It's a continuous development, continuous improvement, right or not? So definitely developers or design team and development team follow the whose instructions? Client instructions, definitely. So they need to follow the client instructions. Hmm. So client instructions in between any architect design team is there, design team involvement is there. I'm not talking about them now. So let's say developers. Now developers can develop the code, right or not? Develop the code. So we already discussed once you develop the code, where we can deploy code, where we can deploy into where? Server only. right or not? Any server, it's a AWS server, Azure server, GCP server, it doesn't matter. We need to deploy. The reason end users or client or anyone can access your application, your request will go to where? Server only, right? So in this case, this application should available. I'm talking about DevOps, then slowly I'll take you into the MLOps also, where we can use. Okay, clear na? So here, to to deliver this application to end users, definitely you need to deploy into server. So server is just a supercomputer where we can run a application. So application run means what? You are able to access the application. Okay, this is a server, right or not? Now this server, okay, keep it like that. Here, before deploy your server, we have a process, build process. Build process means, guys, developer test this application. I'm taking just a login page. Okay, let's take a directly Flipkart, no problem. Flipkart application developers are developing. Okay, now developer develop the application, test in their local mission, the logic, it's working fine. But end of the day, this logic should run into where? Server, right or not? Then only they can access. Your laptop is for your task testing prospective. You have added some dependencies and you can test it, right? But finally, this code should be executed into server inside, right? So developer, for example, if I take a PyCharm, yeah, yeah. So if you can see, guys, PyCharm here, it's an IDE tool where we can write a Python code. So this Python code for so whoever interested, like ETLs, big data ETLs, I'm going to take a 2-3 workshops. So you can try on ETLs also, data analytics part. So this is already one code related to data cleansing, data merging, data wrangling, and all related code. Anyway, it's a different story, not now. So if you can see this code, to execute this code into my local, definitely my laptop inside, I should add a dependencies. Which dependencies? If it is a PySpark code, for example, PySpark dependencies I need to add. My PySpark code connected to database, for example, database dependencies also I need to add, right or not? So these dependencies I can add in my laptop. I can test in my laptop. It's going to work fine. But this code should run inside the server. Server inside also, you need to add the same dependencies, right or not? In this case, without adding any dependencies, simply deploy means this code will fail here. Sorry, I don't know what is PySpark. Server will give like that. Okay, let me add a dependency so that you can understand how this code will execute. Okay, then in this case, which process will come here? Build process. Build means what? Convert your code into executable format way. Executable format way means what? Required dependencies you can add and build the code, package the code. Understand? Build and package means what here? Add a required dependencies to your application, right or not? So adding a dependencies, adding dependencies. So yeah, and any libraries and package it. Okay, package it means what? Convert into final format. For example, guys, let me add this process is called build means build the code means what? Add dependencies and make it into executable way. Make it into executable way. Okay, simple agenda is make it into executable way. Okay. So, and we can create a package, final package. What is the use of package here? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. The package contains what now? Your code plus dependencies. Package means here code plus dependencies. Okay. So why we need to package the code? For easy deployment process. Let's say, let's go to Gmail. Okay, let's go to Gmail. Okay, for example, Gmail. If I want to send a mail to my friend, so I want to add a many attachments. Let's say I want to add now 100 photos, for example, 100 files. Each file I need to select and upload, right? If you package all files, package means what? Compress, zip format. See, if I select enter, I can easily send, right? This zip contains what? Whatever you want to send. Then they can download, they can extract, they can see all the photos, all the files, right? So our job is easy. Make it as a final format, single format, send mail to your friends, right or not? Same process, I'm going to build means what? Convert into final package format where we can add dependencies and libraries to ready to make it as a executable format, right or not? Okay, if you directly run this code now after build, definitely it will work. So by adding a dependencies, these are server dependencies, application dependencies, etc., etc. But now one thing is very important. Once we build, we need to test this code. Understand? The test code is means developers are written a developed a code. So we have a team, a testing team. They need to test this code as per client given business logics. Client given business logics are weight. For example, Flipkart. If I try to log in 10 times with wrong credentials, 11th time account should be blocked for 1 day. This is use case, for example, client giving this. So maybe attackers can attack Flipkart to hack my servers by giving a spam mails, spam scripts, give a rotation based credentials, false credentials, username, password. They can try many times to break the server. So my client saying that how we can enable a security, what we can do if any user try to access Flipkart for 10 times, 15 times per day, definitely no normal person, normal client can access definitely 20 times, 30 times per day, right? So person is trying to access many times in the 1 minute gap, 2 minutes gap, definitely something suspicious is there in that. So what we can do, test cases should be block. So not allow for 11th time, like that, different test cases as per the business logic. Okay. Ah, so in this case, testing team test this logic, testing team test this logic and give a report. I mean, so if everything is good, okay, then we are good, ready to deploy this code, right or not? If test cases pass, then deploy, then deploy. Hmm. Okay, then deploy. So now you can see build, develop, build, test, deploy. Clear na? So develop, build, test, deploy. Okay. Okay. What about next? Monitor. So application deployed. We are not yet done. Okay. Application deployed. Who can monitor? Server who can monitor? Sir, application who can monitor? My application is running single server only. So heavy traffic is there. Definitely server will be crash. Then how we can protect? Definitely monitor system is there. They need to monitor applications request, server healthy status, right or not? So definitely monitoring system play guys, without monitoring, there is no single job in the market, cloud and DevOps. That's what my focus. When I say monitoring, simply create a server, install a Grafana Prometheus, install a Splunk. It's not kind of monitoring. Dynamic monitoring. Dynamic monitoring means real time, how we can handle like that you need to learn. Directly take a one server. I have installed a Grafana Prometheus. I'm able to access Grafana dashboard. I can see this is the load. This is not correct way. Dynamic means when new server will come, if server will delete, new server will come. The server also able to handle able to handle a traffic. Like the dynamic approach, not manual process. If one server, for example, guys, This server is deleted. Immediately one server will create due to our scaling policies. The server inside application should be there. The server inside your log monitoring should be there. The server inside your agent should be run. Again, no one can come and install manually. Dynamically, we need to handle it. Either monitoring system, security system, application system. Understand? That we are going to learn in the coming classes. Okay. Now, so definitely from here to here, we need a dedicated monitor system. Agreed or not? Definitely required. Okay. Dedicated monitor system is required. So monitoring system, as I discussed, many tools we are going to focus, right? Kibana, Grafana, Splunk, CloudWatch. So many things. Monitoring. Paryavekshana. Okay. So monitoring. This is monitoring. So can I say monitoring means post-build activities? Yes. Monitoring. Okay. So post-build activities. Okay. So based on the monitoring, operations will decide, right? Operations means what? Server running, server up and running or not, how many servers required. Okay, servers count need to increase, servers count need to decrease. This will take care by operation team. Okay, this operation team also, so very important, based on the monitoring team, operations will start. Based on the monitoring team, operations will start. Let's say monitoring. Let's go to operation team now. Okay, let's take operation team. Okay. So operation team means what here? All cloud operations. All cloud operations, they will take care. Understand? So cloud operations. Okay, let's start process from the begin now. Client gives the requirement. So developer develop the code. And next, see, it's very interesting now, where MLOps will come into the picture. Okay. Developer develop the code. So build process will run, test process will run, deploy process will run, monitor process will run, operation process will run. So guys, you tell me today deployment activity, for example, today deployment activity, let's take a Flipkart. So today deployment activity, for example, okay, let's say it's processing now. Okay, let's say, for example, today I have deployed some login page development today, not complete application. For example, login page. Okay, login page. So after login page deployment done, we can build that code, we can test that code, we can deploy into server. So tell me guys, this server access we can give to now client or end users. This is not completed development, right? Just today phase is login page completed, not up, Flipkart not yet done. Just it's a continuous development process. So today login page done. So we need to send this to client. Hey client, as you said, I have developed a login process. Can you check the background color, what you are expecting page and all? If you are okay, we can focus on next process. Chris, okay, clear or not? Yeah, he said go. Okay, go ahead. It's good. Go ahead for the further process. Next development, next development, next development. So this process is called, in IT we have a different environments. Dev environment, test environment, production environment. Dev environment means no user can access your application. Internal team can access. Test environment means dedicated team is there, they can test your environment. Production environment, when we can release. Dev environment, test environment, your client or internal team good to go. Yes, what we are expecting, this is good. Then we can release this code into Production environment. Production environment means what? Who can access your application live? Now, Flipkart, see guys, a simple example. Yeah, it's open now. Guys, tell me one thing. Now, Flipkart, whatever I'm able to see, mobiles, fashion, electronics, these and all running in a production environment so that I'm able to access. Tell me, Friday class, this minutes deliver process is not there. Even I guess something Flipkart introduce any delivery options, but they have already done now. But this I don't know Friday, right? I don't know Friday means this minutes process internally development, not at release into production environment. That means definitely this process began 1 year back only, not only Friday, right? 1 year back, they have started the development of minutes application. So internally dev environment, test environment, they're checking all development done. Then they release to production environment. Clear or not? That's what I'm trying to say now. Okay. So I can say this is dev environment, dev or test environment. So if everything is okay, then go for production environment. Prod, simple. Okay. Okay. All good now. So guys, this process is continuous process or not? Development. See, Flipkart, can I say Flipkart website completely done? No, they may add many applications later, right? It's a continuous process, right? So, can I say DevOps is a never ending process? Now, let's say move here. So, if continuous development is there, continuous build is there or not? If continuous build is there, continuous test is there or not? Same. Continuous test is there, continuous deploy is there or not? Deployment. If continuous deployment is there, continuous monitor is there or not? Same. Continuous operations there are not? Yes. This is a continuous process. That's what we are using everything. Continuous development. So continuous, let's see. So continuous development, continuous build, continuous test, continuous deployment. Yeah, very good. Yeah, continuous deployment and continuous monitor. So continuous operations or continuous first operations, then monitor. Anything is fine. Again, process begin from, again, process begins from development. Clear na? So now let's say, I think you have seen this, right? Many ways. DevOps. So this symbol like this, right or not? Let's have a look now, that symbol. So DevOps. Let's go now. Yeah. No. Come on. Okay, anyway. Uh, internet issue is there. Huh? Why am I unable to access this and all? Okay, if you can see anyway, let me increase size like this. Please. Okay. See here. Anyway, please compromise. Huh? Clarity. First starts from when? Plan. Without plan directly we not jump, right? Plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operation, monitor, plan, code, build, test, release. So this is never ending process or not? This is continuously. That's what here you can come now. So continuous develop, continuous build, continuous test, deployment, operation, monitor. Again, client gives suggestions, deploy, build. So this process will run. Clear na? Okay. So now the thing is very clear. Okay, Veera, this is DevOps, but what about MLOps? So guys, let's say a small example I'm going to take. Later I can give a chance to ask queries. Huh. So guys, let's add here Monday. How to start? Okay, let's add a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. What Veera is saying that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. Okay. So guys, tell me every day the load will be same or change? Very good. Monday load will be change. Tuesday load will be change. Wednesday load will be change. Day to day load will be change. Perfect. Guess you tell me June. June month first week Monday. June month second week Monday. Traffic similar or not? Okay. You tell me first week Monday, second week Tuesday, or first week Monday, second week Monday. So which days the load will similar? I mean, compared to two use cases. First use case is first week Monday, second week Monday. Second use case is first week Monday, second week Tuesday, Monday. Right or not? I can say easily here also. The the strength of the class. Monday very good, Friday not good. Right or not? Saturday no need to discuss, yeah? Sunday, question is wrong, Veera. Okay. So I can definitely guess. I can say predict. I can definitely predict Monday load. I mean, not accurate, but definitely I can predict something, right? So Tuesday strength is good. Friday strength is not good. If you ask any trainer, they can easily say why Friday students taking rest. Okay, anyway, it's a different story. Same. Come to Flipkart point of view. Saturday, Sunday load will be more or not? Everyone free? So open the websites, Flipkart and check cart, whether you shop or a different story. Definitely you can add into the cart. Finally, you may realize no, but 3 hours you spend on this. Okay. So here mission learning means what? A person can understand the load. Monday we can increase the servers count. Sorry, Saturday, Sunday we can increase to servers count. Monday little we can decrease, Tuesday little decrease. So how we can understand someone can predict the load from the last 2 months or reference, right? Taking a reference only we can predict, right? Taking a reference, someone can give a training. Hey, monitor every day, every week. Give me your predictions. My predictions are, sir, every Monday strength is good. Friday strength is not good. Okay, how many times you have tested? I have tested from the last 4 weeks. That's what I'm giving to you. Okay, very good. Someone can work on this to give a prediction, right? Now, same use cases, if I give 1 lakh use cases, one person can able to do. Definitely, I can give a 10,000 members can deploy. Hey, first 1,000 members, you can take care of this activity. Next 10,000 members, you can take this activity. I can give a training. I can give a training to them. They can monitor. They can give a prediction. Right or not? But a small change here. I'm going to give training to not human. I'm going to give training mission. Understand? The mission will trained from you. Mission will predict the use case. Understand? So what mission learning is, I can give thousand members data to mission. Hey, you can train first this 1,000 members data. Someone can ask any data, you can predict. Understand? A best example, yesterday also have explained. Next week, I'm going to show you the project machine learning. You are unable to do, but you are able to understand. Okay. So the machine learning is, I can give to records to mission. As I said, let's go here. I think, okay, I think, okay, let me, okay, no problem. Where it is, mission. Already closed now. Yeah, here. See here. So for example, you guys can apply loan. You guys can apply loan. So the process is what one application will open. You can send the details. Immediately will get a response. You are eligible or not, right? Who will check the background? No one will check the background. Mission will check. Mission only trained. A person can give a age below 40, allow. Salary employee, allow. Business, Denny, reject. A person having a 50 plus age, reject. But how I can say everyday person? Hey, you can see I have deployed as 6 members. So first 100 members applications you can take. Second 100 members applications you can take. Third 100 members you can take. See, 6 members are working for 1,000 members, right? Instead of that, if I give training to one mission, the mission will accept lakhs, millions, billions also. Clear or not? How you can train? A simple. The background a process is there. Trained module we can write. Give the data to a mission. This will be trained from this your inputs. If anyone can try to apply the loan, what mission learn? As per the data, mission learn if age below 40 only, I should allow. I train like that only. A person can give 50, simple, who will reject? Mission will reject, not human here. Understand? So, a best example, if you open any website, there is a chatbot option, right? So there is a symbol. If you click on it, immediately 10 questions will open. If you try to give 11th question, system won't take. Why? So if you ask, so the questions, info related product, info related transaction, info related last transaction, info related pending, info related is something different. But my question is not listed out. If you can give your question, system says again, question related to transaction, question related to something. No, my question is different. Again, machine will say, no, question related to transaction. What it is, I'm saying different, it is saying something. No, it's not like that. Mission trained only 10 questions only. They don't know 11th question. It's kind of robo movie, right? Yeah. So there is no feelings, only commands, right or not? So mission trained only the 10 questions. If the 10 questions listed, okay, there only it will give a reply. Otherwise, give same questions to them. Definitely, they may completely don't ask any question, right? Yeah. So definitely mission will test your patience. Automatically, you can close everything. Okay. It's a different story. Same. We trained, it will act. Then Veera, where we can use this process into DevOps? I'll tell you. I'm giving a data, mission trained and accept the response, right? So what we can do here, my DevOps lifecycle. So everyday load of the servers are there now. I can give train to what I'm going to give. Okay, let's say, hmm. So this mission take the data every day. Everyday data takes from the a monitoring tool. For example, from here, trained. Seeing the data, it will train. Okay, Monday metrics are, I mean, load is more, Tuesday load is less, Wednesday load is less, something it will be trained. Okay. So guys, already DevOps lifecycle is something is fail, immediately backup will work. Right or not? You may ask a question, where something will fail, DevOps lifecycle will support till immediately work the background process, right or not? Yes, you are true. But what is machine learning? Before fail, it will predict. Understand? So something fail, then backup will work. But before fail, one day before mission will predict. Tomorrow your mission will be crash. How? Same happened last month Monday. Okay. Oh, how do you know? You already configured me, right? I observed clearly. Last month Monday, your set point is 2. So mission crashed. Then you increased to 3. I observed. Again, you did same mistake today also. Can you increase immediately? Otherwise, mission will crash tomorrow. Means what we can understand before prediction. Understand or not? Before prediction, we can learn from them. Machine learning will give a prediction tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Alert, alert, alert. So how you are giving a prediction? How you trained your mission? Mission will learn. Mission learn first and give prediction to you. Understand? For example, a simple logic. So AHA platform is there now. 6 months back crashed. Why? They didn't expect the load. So they already on the cloud only, missions already in the cloud, but they didn't expect that much of crowd. So many users are hit to AHA. So simple missions crash. Set points are there, scalings are there, but they don't know all missions will crash immediately. If mission learning concept is there na, in that mission definitely will say last 2024 new movie release time same traffic is there. Now 2025 definitely traffic is there more than that. Why you are keeping a server 3 again? This is prediction. Understand machine learning is what now? So machine learning give a prediction before happens something. DevOps is something is happen, you can give a standby. But both end application is high availability. But first end something fail only your process will run. But second end before failures it will predict. Understand now what I'm trying to say? Yes. Same. Now chatbot options are there na. A simple logic I'm going to add here. 10 questions already I have updated to machine learning. Everyone is asking. Now machine can say that this question is coming every day. Common question. This is not listed out our list. If you add, so next time onwards, we can give answer this question also. So automatically machine will learn. You can add that question. So next time, 11 questions. Next again, track the resource, track the request. Next 12, 13, 14, 15. Now tell me how ChatGPT is working. How somewhere, see, we haven't stored anywhere any information. ChatGPT, how it is working. For example, okay, had your breakfast. I don't eat breakfast. Okay, but I'm also, you can ask, same answer will get. Mission learn, I don't eat breakfast. Understand? Give training. Hey, how you are saying don't eat breakfast? Say next time if you ask any question, anyone ask, had your breakfast? You can say yes, I ate idli, I ate sambar, I like dosa. Something you say. If you give a training, next time onward, someone can ask, yeah, idli is very good. Sambar is nice. Like that, it will give. Means ChatGPT is learning. By giving your inputs also, it will learn. Or someone can give a training the background. If you give something, it will give a response. Some cases, ChatGPT giving a wrong answers. Why? It's learn all the wrong data only. Understand? A common data is a new data. A regular data, common data, system can understand. Okay, regularly same data is coming. Man, this is true data. System can understand. System can learn. System can give. So no one can store anywhere related to the ChatGPT information. They give a training, automatically will train. Understand or not? One dog is there. So if we give a training, sit. If any outside persons will come, you can bark. Or any inside person will come, you can sit. So we are giving a training, it will act like that only. Same mission also. Understand? But only the difference, mission, no feelings, we have a feelings. Understand or not? So, but mission will do job accurate. Right or not? We change time to time. Mission won't change, right? Same command, same response. That's what mission accuracy is more than human accuracy. That's what mission learning is more popular. Clear now? Yeah. Okay. So any questions now from sorry, I didn't check your messages. Online team, you can ask questions. I can check your messages. Online plus offline also. Last 15 minutes, mission trained by humans, but humans trained to some level only. Understand? Not 100%. Next mission automatically trained. A simple example here. If I give, my mission to 30 plus A's, you can reject. For example, 60 plus A's, you can reject. Don't approve your loan. Don't approve any loan. So if you give 40, 50, system automatically understand 55 also I can reject then. 50 or 42 also it will reject n, right? Like that. Yeah, chat box example machine learning. Yes, that's what I'm saying. So we are going to do here a few projects, definitely. Yeah, correct. Plan schedule. MLOC, correct. It's sorry, MLOps, plan schedule. Prediction schedule. I can say prediction schedule. Any questions from anyone? Build part. Okay. Build part, guys, you tell me. Build part, for example, I have written a Python code. Okay. Let's say I have written a Python code, for example. So this is the code. Here import both three are the dependencies. If I delete this, if I run, this code will fail. See, automatically suggestions also there here. Both three is deleted. So dependency is not there. This code is not executed inside the server. Understand or not? Here also fail. Server inside also fail. But if you add a Boto3, here may success. Server and inside may fail. You are not adding import Boto3. So here what I did, go to files, new project setup, sorry, settings. So if you can see, interrupter, see Boto3 installed in my laptop. So it will work fine. But Boto3 should install inside the server also, right? That means before deploy your code, once you deploy, that will be deploy and run. Run may fail, dependency missing. So build and we can add a dependencies. We need to deploy the code. That's what build is. Build means required packages, dependencies we can add, make it ready for your code, executable format, run without issues. If something issue is an impact for the end users? No. Yes, but no also. If this environment, definitely we have a build dev one test, right? There we can understand, right? Server application fail, dev environment. Okay, add the dependencies, run, add the dependencies, run. So finally it's working fine, then release to production. Directly don't do any R&Ds, directly production environment. Impact will be there. Business will be affected. Clear? Any questions? SRE means, yeah, SRE means here only more focus. I'll tell you one thing. You may understand. Site reliability engineer only monitoring. Then no need to focus on DevOps. No. The meaning of SRE is person should have a DevOps knowledge plus advanced knowledge and monitoring is SRE. Understand? DevOps engineer, here good knowledge, automation, everything is good knowledge, monitoring also somewhat good knowledge. But SRE, the focus main on monitor, main I can say guys, main focus post deployment. Simple logic. SRE focus post deployment. Post deployment is what? Monitoring, operations, if high availability means what? Always your application up and running. High availability is required. Yeah. Next. How I make a notes in good manner to further? You no need to worry. I will take care. You can write your notes, running notes only. Understand? But final notes I can share with you. Running notes important than my notes. Running notes is your understanding language, right? Of Telugu, of Urdu, of Hindi. Green ink, red ink, blue ink. Many inks are there, right? So your notes you can understand only. If I check your notes, it's very difficult to understand, right? My document also same. So my suggestion is go to 5 years back, intermediate, right? You're writing everything, right? Running notes plus, class notes plus, Home nodes plus many nodes are there, right? You can put any nodes. Final is understanding way. AML code, guys, let me tell you. Maybe you are talking about yesterday AML code. First, what you need to understand now, by seeing this code, immediately you may worry more. It's a coding, it's a coding, it's a coding. It's not at all coding here. It's a simple logic. No coding, see, this is kind of stages. First it will work, second it will work, third it will work, fourth it will work, fifth it will work. Each stage, Linux commands only. Install dependencies first, copy the code next, run the code. Kind of instructions we are giving AML. You can take any code, AML, same process only. Let me show you. Let's take even ChatGPT is there, no need to worry. Okay. So for example, guys, sample AML file. You can see, for example, there is a Terraform process, guys. Terraform process, 3 commands are there. Init, plan, apply. Here you can see this is one stage. As I said, first Terraform init should run, right? Next is what? Validate. If you want to validate your code quality, I mean, any error or something. Next is what? Plan. Next is what? Apply. So these blocks are repeating or not? These blocks are repeating. If you can see this kind of blocks, 100 blocks, you can see immediately 100 lines of code is there. You worry like that. No need to worry. 100 lines of code, all the repeated steps only. By seeing this, see. I know the student, what they can think. For example, by seeing this is a very easy code, right? By seeing like this, oh my God, 100 lines of code. No, same logic. Understand or not? This is the main problem. Understand? So here also, if you can see what I have written, I haven't written anything from my hand. I'm taking from the AI only, ChatGPT only. So I know the knowledge how to handle this. That's it. Right or not? Yeah. So see here. First is taking a backup. Next is uploading code. Next is install dependencies. Next is install Python only. Next is train a model. I'm giving a training to some model. Hey, Python code updating. You can take a training. Next time onwards, you have to say that. Okay. Next, stop old application. Say wait for some time. Check health status. If everything is good, you can go proceed. See, all are step by step process I'm giving only. By seeing here 130 lines of code, you don't think this is very complex code. This is very, very, very easy code. Understand? Yeah. Coding, coding, coding. No need to worry now. Coding is now nowadays very easy with the help of ChatGPT. The same code, if you ask me to write 3 years back, definitely I need to spend time 1 week or at least 4 days. Now, 2 minutes. This code I have just taken from the ChatGPT. I have tested in my GitHub AMLs. I got a few errors rectified, just completed in just 30 minutes. If you ask me to write, I don't know how to write. This is very clear statement. Then why you are worrying? 10 years trainer don't know how to write. 1 year freshers, why you are worrying? Don't worry. Yes, don't say Veera don't know anything is taking from the ChatGPT. Just to build your confidence, while I'm saying like that, okay? Okay. Okay. So అందుకే స్విచ్ జాబ్ కోసం learning DevOps. Definitely. So I still, guys, stick on one thing. Day one, I told you, if you attend my sessions, 100% hike, 100% guarantee. No doubt. It's approved. 100% hike, 100% guarantee. Terms and conditions apply. I'll tell you the terms and conditions also. Many students already having a 40 LPA, 50 LPA here. I know that. Don't expect once a year. You already reached some threshold value, right? So they're on top of 20, 25, 30. A person is having a 20 LPA, 10 LPA, 15 LPA, definitely 100% hike. But already you reach max, right? India, as per the India platform, 50 LPA means already mostly you reach. So later 60, 70, 80, 90, some cases 1 year also there, but tensions also same. Okay. You don't know the difference morning and evening. Okay. Seriously, you don't know the difference. Now I don't, I mean, if I say I don't know morning, evening, your package is 1 year, don't think like that. Huh? Just I'm saying, work pressure is always there. No one can give anything easy way, right or not? Hard work is different, smart work is different. Hmm. As a fresher, can I expect 8, 9 LPA? I don't know. Fresher always, fresh means, fresh mind means no one can give 8 and 9. Okay, fresher can gain experienced mindset means they will give 8, 9. Understand? Hmm. MLOps not no. First learn AWS. Slowly, baby steps. Then DevOps. Then MLOps. Already, I'm getting many requests. Sir, can you give direct MLOps? I can give direct MLOps. Day one only when you can attend a session. Veera training is not good. It's not true. Required dependency is not there. Required prerequisites you haven't learned before, right? There is a flow. We have to follow like that. Any questions? So guys, what you need to do during a build R&B only apply the build time dependencies to executable? Yes, correct. No, it's not like that. The build code, the dependencies we can add, you and developers can sit together. So what a dependency required, you don't know, right? Who write code only they know, right? So whatever dependency is required, my automation cycle inside, I can add the dependencies. Automation means what? If developers push the code, automatically run everything. Run everything means what? Let me show you now. When we can start applying for a job, already, even not yet created account. Huh? So definitely guys, after 45 days, you can start your job searching. First, before that, we need to set up a call one-to-one. You and me. Updating resume means I can see many resumes. My city, my education. So my hobbies, cricket, football, volleyball, kabaddi, all. Technical skills, cloud engineer. Only one day, only one word. But hobbies, 10. So that's what one-to-one is required. So I know your resume. First, I need to review your resume as per your experience, as per your skill set, what you can keep and all. Then only you can apply into LinkedIn, Naukri, and anywhere. Walls also you can stick. Looking for a job. Okay. So that's okay, guys. Okay. So guys, let's start now. I think you clear, right? Okay. So Linux also will cover. Sir, I'm Java microservices developer with 6 years experience. If I completed this course, what is the ads on my? See now, okay. Let me tell you a good example. Whoever having a development knowledge, please focus this answer for everyone. So now you are here, right? You can learn this one also now. Simple. A person can learn here and here. So definitely multi-skill set, right? Both development and deployment. So you will be a architect level you can promote within 8 to 9 years. A person having a good development knowledge, a person having a good deployment knowledge, good operations, monitoring and all, definitely the weight is there. So in the interviews, guys, whether you believe or not, I don't know. With my experience, I'm saying that a DevOps engineer can apply DevOps role. They will ask all DevOps questions. At last question is, do you have any coding knowledge? That means this is not mandatory. They're checking your multiple skill sets. Same apply for developers also. A developer can give an interview. They can start all the development questions and last, do you have any Docker knowledge? Do you have any Kubernetes knowledge? Do you have any Terraform knowledge? The reason the same person, if they found something having a good knowledge of development plus this knowledge, definitely they can go with that person only, right? That's what. So yes, definitely we have a very, better opportunities will get it. Any programming language not required. Python we can focus here. This is real life face. Yeah, I know that. I'm also giving interviews. I'm taking interviews, right? Okay, let's get started now. So what you need to do today, your task guys, today Pradeep going to share Telegram group link to everyone. Please join there. So if you are having any questions, you can directly call me in the Telegram group also. I can give a time. We can discuss one to one, not required Pradeep in between us after create a Telegram group. But if anyone joined today, please, it's my request to all, you can directly call to me today. So today. So guys, so I think link will change tomorrow. So link will change tomorrow means if new link will change, definitely you'll get register mail ID. If you not get means link is not changed. So once link will change, you will get definitely the new link to your registered mail IDs. Pradeep is the admin guys. So if anyone need any course related information, today is Monday, right? I know many students join already. So admin Pradeep. So you can call to this person. So we can discuss one to one. Now after 12, you can call. Whoever joined today, first priority give to them. So I have given many answers to your questions from the last 4 or 5 days. Again, don't please call me. Yeah, am I right? Am I right to learn DevOps and all? Already one person every day calling. Same question. Huh? Same question here. We have to give machine learning training to them. Huh? Same question. Okay. Okay. Please, for having a questions, please call to this number today. Okay. What you need to do, guys, in AWS, Azure, GCP. So we are going to start AWS from today. Already we discussed networking concept little bit. What is VPC subnet? I'm going to show you from tomorrow how to create and all. Okay. So here, AWS account sign up. The process little bit changed now. Actually, click on AWS console sign up. So give your email ID first. Give your email ID. So let me show you one thing here. So this is my medium blocks, right? You can go and find out here many blocks, creation of Google Cloud account, GCP account, AWS account. So Control C. Let me share this link. You can click on it directly. You will be redirecting into this page. You no need to go any websites and all also. Here also official link I have given. You can click on this official link. It will take you into the your home page of AWS account creation process. Guys, first condition, you should have a credit card or debit card. Okay. And next important thing is online transaction should be enabled. Otherwise, OTP will fail. It's the same process, right? If you want to shop Flipkart, definitely online transaction should be enabled. Otherwise, it won't work. So don't forget to enable online transaction of the card. Otherwise, OTP may fail. Okay. And next, you have to provide your personal address. Okay. And PAN card and mobile number. This will be verifications, email ID. That's it. 2 rupees will deduct from your account. Don't worry. Again, it will credit. Don't ping me. 2 rupees deducted when it will credit and all. So if something is deducted, 2 rupees or $2 also, that will be credited. Actual process. Now, what I came to know, the process little bit changed. They are going to credit $100 into your account, not in your bank account, AWS account. You are unable to withdraw. Okay. By using that credits, you can practice your AWS practice. Today, for example, $0.2 you may work, practice. So $100 minus $0.2. Like that, 6 months validity is there, $100. You can practice. Clear na? Okay. So see this process now first. Process is same. Okay. Once you click on this page, so it will take you first email ID. Just now I can see my end, right? Email ID, and you can give account name. Okay, next, click on create new AWS account, contact information. So you have to give after verification completed. So here you can give username, password. You have given one registered email ID right before. After verification complete, you will get a one OTP, I mean password kind of ID, verification ID. After that, it will ask you to enable a password for this. So this password is for login password. This email ID is for login email ID of your AWS account. Okay. So once you give the password, it will ask sign up for AWS contact information. So personal you can click, not business. Personal means it will ask your name and address and all. You can give any name, postal code and all, something. You can give any address. No one will come to your home if you not pay. No worries. Account will be suspended only if you not pay. Okay. I haven't. So I missed many things, many accounts. It's simply they blocked. No one came to my home. Okay. So yeah, after giving these details, it will take you to the payment information. Payment information, you can give credit card or debit card. So then give a CVV and all verification. Again, you will get some verification ID. Okay. And later phone number verification. So phone number verification, give a phone number and this one. So you will, after that, it will ask sign up for AWS basic support only. You can click. Developer support means to $29 per month. You need to pay. Means support. If you stuck somewhere, they will help you. But here we are here, right? You no need to take support from anywhere. We are here to help you. Okay. You can take basic support. Complete sign up. Welcome to AWS. One more time, I'm going to show you. Guys, whoever having questions, I'm going to take your questions. Just give you 1 minute of time. So yeah, click on this click on this link. After that, AWS official website, if you can click, it will take you into this home page. So create account, click on create account. So it is taking me already, I have login, right? So my account actually. So you can give email ID, same process, right? Email ID, you will get a verification ID, give later password setup, then personal address, then credit card, debit card, and then sign up for the text message, then free tire, complete sign up. Clear na? So don't worry if you stuck, you don't know how to create also. My team is there. Okay. My members are there. They will help you. No worries. If you are unable to create account also, don't worry. Creation of account is very easy than creation of Instagram account. Okay. No one given training to create Instagram account, right? So create. Very easy. AWS account creation is very easy. If something you find, no worries, leave it. I will take care. Okay. 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 Then it's time to questions. So guys, tomorrow I will show you how to create VPC and subnet. Okay. And one server also already having a knowledge we discuss. You don't worry. I will take care. Okay. Okay, I think no questions. Guys, if we are having any questions, you can. Okay, two questions already there. Offline team, uh, anyone new today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what you can do, take the recordings today only. Today only take the recordings from the admin team. So go through the last 2 days recordings only. If you are having a time, go for last third, fourth, fifth, like that. Nothing is there. First 5 days, I spent time. I wasted my time only with questions only. I mean, questions are very important, right? So many of them from different background. So definitely I need to give each and every question response. That's what I spend time for 4 to 5 days. So if possible, bring your laptops offline team. You can do parallelly also. Your wish, which process you like more, you can follow. My suggestion, don't practice here. Lab or in your home only practice. Attend a session, learn, then practice. If you practice means no learning, directly following my steps only. I know that. Okay, offline team, No questions or any questions. You can ask any question. Don't hesitate. When to call you? Now only after 12:05. Once I close the session, you can call me directly. Just give me 5 minutes. Huh? I'm in the third floor. So need question, huh? No, huh? You are saying like that. I thought question. Yeah. Uh, Cost optimization. I have already shared the project, right? One of the project cost optimization by using Lambda function. So we can implement disaster recovery, cost savings. Okay. When, for example, many resources are running, by using a monitoring techniques, we can stop it. We can save the cost. Many cost optimization techniques are there. Logs we can monitor. Logs we can push into storage instead of keeping into instance inside. So many cost optimizations are there. We will learn. Yes. This is not Amirpet. This is Amirpet. This is not KPHB. Not trained well. Mission. Okay. Any questions? I just joined today. I have a 10 plus years of non-tech job experience. I'm now on career gap due to health issues. Would it help me if I upskill my taking this course? See, I can say one thing is taking course. No, definitely good idea only, right? You are learning only, right? Learning always acceptable, right or not? So you got already first success. You are trying to join a one course, that too very good course. But the thing is depends on your interest. Okay, how it will be go. So definitely, guys, many cases, I'm not saying 10 years, many cases, I already saw many of them non-IT and mechanical, B pharmacy, 10 years career gap. See, okay, let me show you quickly. I think yesterday yesterday, so you can see here, for example, so he's having he's got a good company actually. Okay, let's go here. High Radius, very good company, guys. So he put 3 years experience. You know, right? Put means. Ah. Again, don't ask me that. Sir, put means elaborate. I can't. Session is recording. See, that means you can understand. He got a job, very good package, 14 LPA. His brother. See, thing is, both persons got a job. Understand? Both persons got a job. Brother also. So anyway, it's a different story. So if you are really dedicated person, really job is need, really if you have a time in your hand, take a course, any course you will get a job. But here we are covering many things, chances are more you no need to skill up again. That's what I can say. Sir, if I take a training data science, will I get a job? Means 100% you will get a job. I'm not saying whoever taking a data science not get a job, right or not. Hmm. So if you are a dedicated person, if you are very interested coding, if you are a very interested data, then you can take data science also after this course. Same data science team also, they are very good at data, they can also learn deployment. Okay, that's very encouraging. This is only 1 year. If you can see, you may surprise. Many every week minimum 10 jobs. Minimum the number, the 10 jobs also only non-IT jobs. IT people, they not inform me even. I know that experienced persons, no one is informing me, sir, I got a job. They're already experienced, right? So, but who inform? IT is very new. Definitely the interest is there, right? That the enthusiasm. So need to express my experience to my trainer immediately. This interest is there on the only non-IT and freshers only. Experience I will inform later. Yeah, you can apply. Senior means the senior means 5 years till seniors only, not 10 years seniors also there. Till 5 years you can manage. See, the person is managing 3 years, right? The reason is he's completed BTech 2022. Understand? That's what the reason. Sir, can I update experience? Even I passed 2022. Can I update 5 years? Means your wish. Your second 2 years BTech, I don't know how you did. Your wish still if we manage that. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Time is up now. So as I said, tomorrow onwards, 10:30 to 12. Any questions? After also you can ask. Okay. Everyone clear? Okay. Bye.